Today is the perfect excuse to make my strawberry panna cotta. Instead of cream in panna cotta, we're going to replace it with some yummy, thick yogurt. The panna cotta is this tricky thing. Everything has to be almost at the same temperature, and that way it's going to be silky smooth. I've had this yogurt out of the fridge for a little while. It's just taking the chill off it, so that's really important. So I got that out a little bit before. Then the gelatin bit is the bit that makes it set. So we need 2 tablespoons of boiling water, and then we're going to sprinkle the gelatin over the top, and it sucks in all the boiling water, so then it's easy to spread it all the way through the panna cotta. Now, Maisie, do you think you could sprinkle 1.5 teaspoons? Try and get it nice and even. And while we're doing that, 1 cup of milk in the jug, because I need to put that on the stove just to take the chill off it as well. I don't want to heat it too much. Perfect. I just want to warm it up. So you've got our gelatin, and it's going from a powder to a funny little gel.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I think we should measure out 1.5 cups of the yogurt in the blender, and then I'm going to prepare our strawberries. So I'm just going to take the tops off, and I need roughly about 12 of them. Who likes strawberries?
I love them.
I think this is going to taste delicious. Now we need to add some flavours. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Right to the top, in it goes. And then we are going to use some very tasty maple syrup. Just 1/4 cup. The strawberries, in they go. I've just halved them for you so they blitz up properly. Do you want to pop that on here? Nice work. All right. Look, magic. The gelatin has already sucked up all that water. Now, when I put it into the warm milk, it's going to melt even further. While that is cooling, lid on. Who's driving? You gonna drive? Better you than me. I'll put the lid on, I'll hold tight, and you blitz. Ready? Go. Look at that pink. Oh, yeah. Oh, look, it's going. What about around the front? Can you see?
Yeah, that's good.
So we just need to add the milk mixture, don't we? Smelling good. Look, you've got to have a smell. I've got to take it off because smell that, all that fresh strawberry.
Smells like smoothie.
Smells like a really good strawberry smoothie, doesn't it? Milk is at the correct temperature. 1 more quick blitz, and you know what? We are good to go. Okay. Nice work. Let's make some room for the blender. You know what? All that's left to do is for me to pour it into some glasses, and then we can put a little dollop of yogurt and a strawberry on top. When they set, I used to make something like this for my dad when I was little. This is the first thing I remember making for his birthday when I was 8, but it was chocolate. Do you know what? I know there's a little bit left. I think we're looking good, but I think the thing that we haven't done is taste it. As a good cook, you need to taste it before it goes in the fridge. So, is it good?
Almost
is it
tastes
sweet
like ice
enough?
cream.
Is it? That creamy from the yogurt. That's a good sign. Yeah?
Excellent.
Okay, well, now you're making me have some. Is it strawberry enough?
Yeah, it's really
Oh, my
good.
goodness, that's amazing. Yeah. Okay, well, we better get these in the fridge because they are going to be fantastic. Right, I'm just going to pop them in my little mini fridge down here. And then we can get, oh, that is so yummy.